Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Alistair from Melancholy Tech and Gaming. We're here to unbox the Beats Studio 3 wireless. This is the Decade Edition. These are obviously new ones. This is the Studio 3. This will be the first set of Beats I've actually bought, so this will be quite interesting. Especially from the bass aspect, to see whether they're improved or whether they're overly bassed and a bit more clunky or muffled. There we go, that's lovely. Let's see what we have on the back here before we open it. Over here, the wireless, obviously. Comes with a carrying case apparently, which is quite good. Bluetooth, obviously, it doesn't really say what version, so I guess I'll have to find that out. Adaptive noise cancelling, we'll see how well that works. Heard bad things, but positive attitude here, let's hope for the best. Auto off power mode, that'll be really handy I think. 22 hours battery life. My Sonys have 30 and they're 2 years older, but we'll see. Fast charge, I don't think my Sonys have that, so that should be quite helpful. Control your music with an inline, either an inline mic or it means there's buttons. I think there's probably buttons. Here we go. Wireless microphone built in as well as one on the wire. Comes with a red 3.5 to 3.5. And it comes with a charging cable, obviously. I'm hoping it's Type-C, but we'll find out. Alright, let's get to opening this. It's a sliding case. Decade of Defiance. So we have this nice little, very sort of silk material pull-up. We have the case here. I imagine the headphones are inside the case, just imagining. Could be wrong, but I doubt it. Because that falls away in a kind of flimsy way after that. I'm gonna have to see. It's very, very stiff, very, I mean you could knock that and that feels quite solid I think. The zip is very awkward to open, I think. Yeah, here we go. So, as you can see, they appear to be like leather cushioned, or maybe it's forks. I hope I pronounced that right. They seem quite nice. I'm going to put that back over for now, just very gently. I'm going to see what else is in the box, and then we'll come back to that. So you pull the ribbon out, just like that, ever so gently. And you've got your, I believe, your 3.5 to 3.5 there. I'm pretty sure. We have a booklet there, I'm guessing some pictures and some advertising, just guessing. We have a hook thing there, which I think is meant to be attached to a belt or a bag for the carry case, I think. You have your fast fuel cable there, obviously. I'm just gonna guess that it doesn't come with a plug. I'm just guessing. They want you to plug everything into the extension leads nowadays, I guess. The booklet is here. Beats Studio 3 wireless. I like this. It's an instruction booklet. You know, if you don't know how to turn on your Bluetooth, which I guess depending on age and if you're new to certain phones, you might not know how to use Bluetooth properly. Charge and battery status. So E is for empty, F is for charged, I'm guessing. So it's kind of like in a car, you got your empty and your full. Oh, so they're doing it like that. Okay, I get that. That's pretty cool. I've not had headphones before where it's usually just a green light and a red light, but this is like a whole, if you can see there, it's like, so this will be if it's at the lowest, and as it charges, the more lights will light up, and then when it gets to the end, it's done. I'm guessing either a button there, or a light will change colour when it's done. That's pretty cool. Controls for the wireless, it appears volume up and down by swiping up and down or pressing on a button. Probably a button, I think. The centre button is your pickup call, your play and your pause, and I'm guessing hold down, like your Google Assistant, your Siri, things like that, which is pretty cool. Oh, a Beats logo, that's very important. More Bluetooth stuff, hard hearing, don't put them on too loud, it may damage your hearing, things like that. Electrical things, don't throw them out, don't dispose of them in the wrong manner, different languages, etc, etc, all the boring stuff. Apple 1 year limited warranty. I like how it's limited, that's quite interesting. I suppose at least you get a year, but I think 2 years isn't the norm, but maybe Apple's just different, perhaps. So 3 hours of play from a 10-minute of charge, supposedly fast fuel. Reminds me of dash charge for the OnePlus phones. See whether it's something that ends up being handy or... And it is a, if you can see that, it is a Type B to Type A charger. Right, let's open these bad boys and see what they feel like to use, the build quality of them. Plastic on the top, most definitely. And very gentle to open them. I've read bad things about the older models. I don't like that click. I don't know if you heard that. That was a very off-sounding click. Makes you worry about breaking them. Right, a little stickers to charge up. Remove the sticker. Your common sense sort of things. I'm gonna go and guess that they're not charged yet. So there's stickers on it indicating remove this, controls for the wireless modes. You have your wireless symbol, obviously. Nice black and red paint job. The red, it feels very nice. It's a very cushiony material. I'm not going to doubt them on that. The build quality in general, I don't dislike. It's not that I dislike it. I just think here where the hinges are, when you open and close them, if you listen carefully, and you can just hear it already, sounds very, very cheap. I'm not a fan of that because I think that's going to break. I mean, I take care of my technology stuff, but that sounds very, very finicky and very fragile. And I think even if somebody's delicate, that will probably break quite easily. I give this 6 months. I think that right there is one of the microphones, I think, for the active noise cancelling, which is what it states. And you can see there the leatherette cushions. You see here already where the cushion has got a tiny bit of sort of like a dent because they've obviously been leaning on each other because they're folded away. That's fine, you know, that'll bounce out. It's kind of like a memory foam sort of texture. And obviously they're stitched together here, which that's really quite nice. You can see hand stitched. Never gonna knock that. Regarding build itself, I mean, apart from it being plastic, which is bad, I can't really complain. I mean, as long as it lasts, credit to them if it lasts. I mean, obviously it's telling me to charge there, so I don't think there's any battery on it. Alright, well, I need to charge them, so I'm going to have to finish the review a bit early and do a follow-up one. Anyway, I will follow this review up with a follow-up one once I've got them charged and tested, a couple of hours' time. And we will see how they perform. Anyway, this is Alistair from MC Gaming and Tech. Thank you, and have a lovely day. Like and subscribe to the video if you like it. If you hate my stupid face, then dislike. And I'll see you in the next one.